Hello, everyone. My name is Sanat, and I'm going to be your host for today for the fourth episode of our podcast series, Alumni Talkies, an initiative by Alumni Relations Team. Today, we are going to relive some of the old memories of Neve, and we have with us from the batch of 2011 Miss Varna Shetty, Miss Swati Palliwal, and Miss Vasudha Vijayvargiya. Varna has experience of over 9 years and is currently working in Deloitte as talent business partner. Vasudha has experience of over 9 years and is currently working in Johnson& Johnson as a senior general sales manager. Swati has previously worked in companies like Idea, Flipkart, Humane, and is currently in MX Player as head influencer business. Alumni relations team welcomes you all, and we know on this very episode of season one, we welcome you, ma'am. Welcome Swati. Welcome Vasudha. Welcome Varna.
Thanks, Anad.
Thank
Thank you so much.
you. Thanks, Anand.
All right. So to begin with, our episode, we'll start with the very first question that is coming your way. We love to have more of those answers that we just talked about. So the first question is, we would love to know a few of your fondest memories the three of you share with respect to the college and especially your Neve journey. Who would like to go first?
You want me to start?
Yeah, I
I'll
think
go
by
ahead.
default it will be Swati because she's the one
I
who
was
speaks
just
the
going to
most.
say Swati should just go ahead and start. She may just cover all our points. So we'll just do
Swati
the
No.
speaks.
color
Yeah,
Sorry,
yeah.
what's the name of your company? It's something like this only. Na? Speaks.
No,
What is
no,
it?
it's Crescendo.
It's
It was Crescendo Speak, and then
Crescendo
I have
speaks.
अपने पास तो अपनी
Yeah.
website भी है. But anyways, खैर, so Neve का, if I tell you, my fondest memory was Ferrero Rocher की, I think sponsorship, and
okay.
the way we hogged Ferrero Rochers, and the way we
Yeah.
saved it for the main team also.
Oh
I
yeah.
think, yeah, we did, man, we
Actually,
did.
on the similar lines, in the
Hmm.
first year we had sponsorship from L'Oreal. By the end of it,
Oh,
we had
yeah.
so many free products. We took some home as well.
Yeah.
Like we gave it to cousins, family, everybody. We had boxes of
Oh
free
yeah. I had
samples left.
forgotten both of these free samples actually. Thank. But what is my
Yeah.
fondest memory for Neve would be to be having the coolness to bunk classes as and when you wish.
Hmm.
In the name of Neve. So because you're a Neve team, you could just bunk the sessions or classes which you want, especially in second year, and
Yeah.
shoes and attendance was not a problem. So I think that was the. And then you could do
Yeah.
Neve work and you could do other work as well. So, or do whatever you wanted. And then second year we were also great friends, right? So Neve room was so much fun, much
Yeah,
better
man.
than attending.
It was like our space. Yeah, and also the pizza nights we used to do there, like later in the evenings. Everything if we wanted to celebrate something small, we would do pizza night
And
and we'd
Wow.
do a
Infosys
movie
ki
night.
Maggie.
And the
Infosys wali
corridor would
Maggie.
be
Yeah. And these
yeah.
girls tease me a lot. So I'll tell you something here. So like my husband, so that time my boyfriend, he was heading the same thing for MDI Gurgaon, the event for MDI Gurgaon. I forgotten the name, Imperium or something. And our dates clashed. So it was on the exact same date that MDI had their event and we also had our event. So
Oh.
Oh,
it led to so many discussions that यार उसको बोलो कि यार ये तो गलत बात है फिर ये participants will go there they will not come here and this is so not done he's going to the sponsorship for the same companies so yeah I think that was a fun discussion too.
Yeah. And I think also brainstorming was fun. Like they
Yeah.
would go endlessly and sometimes 2 a.m. Sometimes we returned like 4 a.m., 5 a.m. and
Oh well, the other thing that I just remembered was I think Vasudha will remember this when we had to actually poach the junior team members in the from placement committee
Oh
admissions and all of that because we had to see who fits in where. So we had that whole
yeah.
poaching argument also.
and
So I
interviews
think that was pretty fun
oh
too.
You
my
you
Oh
god
first of all
yeah,
you got
right.
to
interviews,
act so cool
artificial
during
ragging
interviews.
basically.
yeah man those days good fun.
Yeah, that was
I
just a chance to drag people.
absolutely
I think
I
just in the
absolutely
name
agree
of
man I absolutely agree.
yeah, and the
Yeah.
same thing happened to us also. I mean, I remember in my interview, I had to dance for the seniors,
I had
so
to
that was
sell
quite
edible
embarrassing.
underwear.
Oh,
Yeah, you can expect
Insane,
Rachitosh to come up
nice.
with those things. So yeah,
yeah,
that's what I had to sell.
crazy.
Yeah, I was selling FDA approved edible underwear.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's
it
pretty
was
cool.
fun.
All right, all right. So, ma'am, as we know, moving on, as we know, one of the most important tasks in NEEP is to organize an event of such a large scale, of such a large extent, and of course, sponsorship, like you mentioned, is one of the crucial aspect of it. So, could you please elaborate on how those experiences, I mean, hosting this event on a huge scale and managing all that stuff has helped you time and time again?
दर दर के झटके खाने का जो होता है ना, वो वाला एक्सपीरियंस स्टार्टिंग में ही हो गया कॉलेज में.
I experienced Mumbai local for the first time when I went for sponsorship
Oh,
drive. Yeah, because I was from Delhi, so I think I had been to Mumbai but never experienced the local thing. Man, I got all dressed up. I was like, "अरे meeting में जाना है." Full ऐसा like full Western formals. And फिर वो धक्के वाला Mumbai. Like by the time I reached, I think I had to go to the washroom again and get dressed up again. By the time the journey was over.
And I feel like we always
Yeah.
aimed really high, because I remember the first year GP had written a really nice note to Russell
Yeah,
Peters, hoping that he would
I
get
know.
Russell Peters. So in his, just to allure him, he had written a really nice email, but I
Yeah.
don't think we got a response on it. But it was really funny. It was something that would cater to him. So that was one of
Yeah,
those,
but I think
really
we
nice
did
moments.
think big, and execution
Yeah.
करते करते मतलब वो कहाँ पहुंच जाता था,
Yeah.
depends upon budgets. But
I
yeah, we
One of our
contacted.
strategies that worked really well was that we targeted CSR budgets of these big companies. You remember SAIL and ये
Yeah,
जो
yeah.
government companies
SAIL,
होती हैं. Yeah.
SAIL and the
Yeah.
logistics company DHL.
हाँ, yeah, exactly. तो वो अपने
हाँ.
CSR budget they had to spend and they kind of gave it to us. I don't know how they justified it, but we
And
convinced them. Yeah, and then they finally ended up giving us a big chunk of money.
yeah, and selling Neve, I mean, उसमें footfalls and like
Yeah.
creating a product
Yeah.
out of an
Oh, yes.
event and selling it. I think that was the first selling experience actually, because मतलब कुछ हो या ना हो, बताना तो बहुत कुछ है. And it was fun. Yeah, it was. And then cold calling. Oh my God, cold calling was such a like
Yes.
Oh my
integral
God.
part of
Oh,
everyday
Exactly.
life. We had a long list.
And there were so many
Or
deals
we
that
did not
came
know.
so close, and then
Yeah.
last minute things didn't work out for us either, because they were not giving us enough money, or we didn't benefit enough out of it. So last minute we would work so hard on something, and then it would just fall through because something didn't make sense for them or for us. So those were also
Yeah, but then
things
each
that we
sponsorship
experienced.
confirmation was celebrated so well. I mean,
I
it was
agree.
so hard
Right.
earned.
Yeah, that's why I still remember the
Yeah,
pizza nights
it
and
was
all
fun.
of that, right?
Yeah,
So
sponsorship was obviously a major part of the entire Neve. Most of the
That's
year,
the
you're
first
trying to
thing.
actually get
Yeah,
sponsors.
exactly.
and every year you try to outdo yourself. So
Right.
we tried our best. I mean, we got a really wide range of sponsors, I think, in
Yes,
the
Yeah, yeah.
final year, right?
Quite
We
a
got some designer studios, local Pune designer studios, to also put up banners. We
and some
got
real estate company also. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Yeah, it was
some
a
Pune
very
real
wide.
estate company.
You got
Yeah.
Durex. You remember Honor got Durex. So that was
Yeah.
Exactly.
Durex was the main thing. I was thinking कोई तो एक sponsor था हमारा जो कि बहुत stand out करा था, and कुछ तो भी था, like it was talk of the town. It went well.
Right.
We did
But it
snake
went
and
well.
ladder
So
game also. You remember? It was fun. It was fun, but amazing.
yeah.
We can still hear that happiness in your voice when you talk
Yeah,
about
yeah.
sponsorship. It's still quite
It's like it's still
there.
it's yesterday.
No, and we did up the campus really well that year, because remember we had Nikita who just got people to
Wall.
do the paintings on the
Yeah.
what do you call that? The
क्या
wall
नाम है
and
यार
the
उसका,
leaves,
भूल
the
गई मम्मी.
circle.
Shifa did
हाँ,
it.
what was
Shifa
the name
did
of
the
that?
painting.
हाँ. Yeah.
Shifa did the painting. Yeah, it was brilliant.
So anyway, moving on, bringing some corporate touch to this. So could you please share some wonderful corporate experiences, and if there was any role of SCMHRD that helped you on its way?
No,
The only thing I
Swati, you
want,
wanna
the only
take
thing
this
that
or-
helped me is when I joined JNJ, I did field work in tier 2, tier 3 towns, and I had to wear salwar suits. I had enough because SMHRD में salwar suit पहनने का rule था, मुझे नई shopping नहीं करनी पड़ी. That's the only thing I remember. But anyway, that's just the fun, besides the point. But yeah, I think overall corporate world is very different from college life,
Yeah.
and you only learn when you get inside. And I mean, I
Right.
can't
Yeah.
say college life prepares you theoretically, but you have to be there.
Yeah, the only probably one thing I would say is because we had so much FaceTime with some of the corporates, it at least gives you an understanding of the decorum that they maintain, the kind of conversations they want to have, because they just want to be to the point. What is in it for
Right.
them? So you don't come and give your gyan and saying me was XYZ, blah
Right.
blah blah. Come to the point. What is in it for them? What do you get out of it? And done. Right. So it teaches you to be more crisp, to cater to the audience in the way to tell them what they really want,
Right.
what
Me,
they
it
have
was
in
very
it.
different. For
So
me, I think in
similar things like
2016,
that.
when I wanted to like basically get into the whole teaching piece in digital marketing space, and the first session I took was in MDI, and literally the second one was with SEMHRD. So, like, I think I spoke to Pratma Shauri ma'am, and she was very nice, and we got on a call, and she said, "Why don't you come?" I met her in Gurgaon, and she said, "Why don't you come and host a session here?" And I think that gave me the confidence to kind of pick this up even further. And so it played a very important role that time. And currently, I take up sessions. I work with college students a lot. So I think that your college stays with you. If you need some help, you can always reach out. And Pratma Shauri ma'am was really amazing that way. So yeah.
All right. All right. So I'm moving on. So like we discussed, so could you talk about if you have faced any gender biases in the company and how do you believe that younger women professionals should handle it?
Wow, I have answered this question, I think, at least 5 times in the last 1 month. Okay,
Have your
so
answer ready.
basically, okay, I'm in sales, right? And there are fewer
Right.
women in sales. So this question is often asked in different forums. And yeah, so I kind of had this recent discussion with another company on this. So, well, I think it's women, the differentiation or biases first should not exist in the girl's mind or the woman's mind. If you feel you're equal, then others treat you equal. If you think you're different, then you others will perceive you as different. So first of all, you should treat yourself as equal and not any different. And secondly, there are biases and there are differences, accept them and cherish them, and it's actually positive also. There are a lot of things which you can do as a woman, and like I'm talking about positive things, maybe time management or so many other conversations, the kind of respect that you can get when you talk to people in different cities. So I think of course it depends upon the other person, but I think we should just look at the positives and move on. Biases exist everywhere. I mean, not just as a woman, but there could be, this if you go into tier 2, tier 3 towns, and because I am in sales, I'm telling you, and I deal with different kind of people. There's racism. There is in India. There is, of course, people ask your surname and then they will judge you on that. So there's so many
Right.
different kinds of biases that exist, and it's not just women who have to face them. Different people have to face different biases. Somebody may judge
Right,
somebody
right.
from their
height or size or different things. So I just feel that
Yes.
biases will always exist wherever you are, in India, outside India, whatever you may be. There would be positive and negative biases. You just have to overcome them. Overcome them by believing that you are the way you are. If you're a woman, I don't think you need to be like a man to prove in a man's world, etc., etc. You just
Right.
have to be
Right,
yourself.
right.
And if you are yourself, if you maintain your originality, you don't try to be like somebody else, then I think mostly you will be accepted. So
पता
yeah,
पता
that's
चल रहा है, 10 बार क्वेश्चन आंसर करा है, पता चल रहा है. हर बार यही कहती हूँ यार, मैं women से कहती हूँ that why do you even think I
you're
agree,
not
man.
different? You
I
are the
absolutely
same.
agree.
Yeah, that's true. And see,
Right.
like I'm from the HR world, right? So there, I mean, there is no gender bias as such, because you will find
Right.
a lot of women there. But at least in times like during this pandemic, the one thing that we've realized as women is, in most households, there is an additional responsibility on women. Of course, there are households where the responsibility is equally shared between the husband and the wife, but in the rest half of the world, the women, you will see that there is an additional load in addition to working from home
Yes.
and taking up, looking after their kids, taking up household
Yes.
chores, etc. So this is applicable to both the genders, and I say that take help wherever you can. Talk to your supervisors, everybody today, at least in the corporate world that I've seen, is very supportive of this thing and also acknowledges it. So seek help, reach out, talk about it openly, because this is not a bias per se, but this is a reality that we're facing today. So I would just suggest that be open
So
about it,
I
talk
agree with
about
what
it, and
Varna is
seek help
saying. So I think
wherever
corporate
necessary.
world is so having experienced both sides, like the corporate side and running your own thing. I think corporate
Right.
world is better equipped to handle this. I think there's more knowledge there. There's proper training. There's
Yeah.
proper information that how you're supposed to conduct
Correct.
yourself and all of those things. Whereas it's a
Right.
dog fight dog world out there. Like if you basically you don't have that corporate umbrella kind of protecting you, then sometimes it does get difficult. When I was running my startup, going on funding rounds, you meet all sorts of characters, and there's nothing that you can rely back on. It's just your instinct. So as women, I just simply tell all
Right.
women to trust your instinct. God has given us this instinct. It just helps us. I trust your instinct when you're talking to people. If you get a good vibe, go ahead that
Right.
conversation. You'll meet absolutely different types of characters, but your instinct will always tell you. So bias ho raha hai, nahi ho raha hai, doesn't matter. Just
Yeah.
trust your instinct and keep doing your work, and you're sorted.
It would be really, really great to hear that. Also, moving on, talking about some networking. So, do you folks believe that networking is an important component in the lives of management professionals, especially within the alumni network?
Yes, hardcore. Yes, I mean,
Yeah, Harsh.
Yep. But see, I also feel networking is an overused, abused word.
Okay.
Because see, when you talk about networking, it I understand it opens up a world of opportunities. You get to know what's happening in the industry, but people need to understand what networking really is. Just a hi, hello, and talking about the
Right,
weather,
right, right.
right, does
Exactly.
not mean networking. So we really need to understand how do you network,
yes.
and probably it's a skill that you need to attain. Because as soon as you enter the corporate world, the first thing people tell you is you should start networking. But it essentially boils down to saying hi, hello, okay, do I still know that person or
Right.
not, right? You should use these networking opportunities to understand how do you move
Right,
forward.
right.
No, I absolutely agree. I think networking, in the sense, if done properly, is important. Just saving somebody's contact number and probably thinking that I know this person and I'll reach out to this person jab
Yeah.
zarurat padegi. It doesn't work like that at all. But networking, in the other sense, is also
Yeah.
important. Like touching base with people. Something as small as if you find an article. Man lijiye you read
Yeah.
an article, right? Which is very interesting.
Okay.
It makes you think of somebody, maybe a friend, colleague that you met, right? Because that person is in that particular field. You can always forward that article. Hey, like I was reading this, thought about you, that you're in this segment, whatever. That basically,
Right.
is a conversation holder. You're engaging in a conversation, and that essentially, honestly, I feel is networking. That you're also intelligently engaging in conversations, not when you need something out of the person, but just in case developing that relationship. And trust me, it goes a
Absolutely.
long way, because I'll be very honest. Like for me, the switch from corporate to whatever I'm doing, it is all happening via networking, guys, right now at this point of my life. I mean, when I decided to move to corporate and I just wanted, just like I wanted a change, and I approached Michael Page agency, I approached HR agencies, the best in the world, and all of them had a bias. They said, "Hey, like this experience that you held in agency, it doesn't really work in the corporate world. Aapka koi experience khas nahi hai, this, that, this, that." I was like, bullshit. I think I've done enough work. And it was eventually the people who'd seen my work, who'd interacted with me, who vouched for me and then sent my CV, and then I got interviews and I cracked it. So that's how important it is.
Okay.
Was highlighting, I completely agree that you have got to be genuine. You have to build your genuine style of networking. Not everybody is an extrovert, but even introverts can have a very good network. They'll have maybe a smaller network, but a very deep network. So I don't think networking is like Varna said only about hi and hello. It is very important, but having meaningful conversations and being genuine about it. You can't network for the sake of networking.
Yes, true.
You've got to network
Exactly.
because you genuinely want to interact with someone, and over time you develop that. Of course, you have to sometimes force yourself to interact in a corporate culture, and it does not come naturally to everybody. But yes, it has a lot
Right.
of importance, especially when you're trying to maybe even within the organization looking for a new role or a switch or outside a job switch, etc. So of course networking helps in every which way, but yeah, it's got to be genuine. That's I think the bottom line.
And plus, you can get
All
work
right.
done.
Oh,
You can
yeah.
get work done easily. So I'll give an example here. I was talking to a
Hmm.
client, international client, and because I had interacted with one guy for a music video long time, matlab, like sometime 2 years back, and interacted with his bunch of friends who deal in the Bollywood segment. I could give this guy. I
Right.
told him that even though we have no direct contact, I said no. I'll make a if you want Bollywood celebs to kind of cover this and do an influencer campaign with celebs. I know I can make it happen because when you meet people, you also need to know that you kind of need to fit in your mind that okay, this person is there, this person is related there. It will help you with your work. No, because I personally knew that person, right? Matlab, my company, nobody knew this is not a service that we offer. I could sell something absolutely new from scratch in my company, which has never been sold before, just because I knew a guy from my past experience. So that's how then you
Right.
stand out in your company also.
Right.
All right. So that was really, really amazing answers that we got there, ma'am. So now talking about our batch, now let's talk about the junior Neve team that's there. So we are a batch who are facing such, extraordinary time where we haven't been to the college as of yet, and neither have we met each other.
Yeah.
So what advice would you give to the entire batch and one special message to the Neve junior team?
So first of all, I feel really bad that you are
Yeah, exactly, ma'am.
you are in college but not in college, because the real fun happens on campus, and those are the fondest memories that of life actually. So
Right.
tough times, but I'm sure I feel that you've been pushed to think innovatively, like this podcast is happening for the first time. And I also saw that Neve team did called some TV actors and did some kind of a talk. So, these things are happening for the first time. So, you're doing some fun activities on campus, engaging people. So, you have a larger role to play now than you would have at any other time, because Neve is not
Hmm.
just about one event. It is, kya tha,
Right.
nurturing entrepreneurship, enriching values. Wow, I remember.
Wow, I love it, man.
Yeah.
Vasudha.
So,
I
You're rocking
know.
it.
yeah,
You're
I
rocking it,
didn't
Vasudha.
So
but I
dirty.
did. So,
Right.
it's time for you to be as creative as possible, and you're doing new things for sure. But you can keep the fun alive throughout the year instead of just those 3 days. Every challenge has its own opportunity, and like Peter Baelish said, chaos is an opportunity.
So the one thing that I would definitely say is you guys already are leveraging technology, but we have wonderful platforms,
Right.
to connect virtually. So you guys use every opportunity to video call, even if it is, you have an assignment. Sit together, video call, spend the first few minutes just knowing each other, talking about, where you guys come from and, things like that. So at
Right.
least that way there's a virtual connect. Hopefully you will get to enjoy college life, and that transition will probably get easier because you guys would have at least
Right.
seen each other a couple of times.
Yeah, I think video is very important, like
And that's
Varna
about
said.
it. Yeah,
So I
Hmm.
think we
that's
do
the
that
only
in
thing.
office also. Now that all of us are sitting, and we got into the habit of like obviously switching off videos and taking meetings, which is absolutely fine. But then we start doing this like let's once a week, on this one particular call that we do, which is an internal call. All of us switch on our videos.
Hmm.
So it's like that connect is there, and you got to be comfortable. At least like college now specifically, like we never thought of how we are looking. Like on a video, we always think, यार कैसा दिख रहे हैं, अच्छे से दिख रहे हैं, नहीं दिख रहे हैं, before sitting on a video.
Right.
But I think that thing should be out of your heads while sitting on video calls with each other. You students, you need to know each other like as frank like night student बैठे हुए हैं और बात कर रहे हैं आराम से. So probably I think switching on
Right.
videos while working on assignments, projects together, I think that will go a long way. Because then the conversation starts happening. Hey, acha, kahan ho, nahi ho, and all of that. You need to know about the other person, yeah.
So I know
And take,
companies who, for
Correct.
team building or
and
just to
take up.
ensure that the fun stays alive, is organizing like theme parties online virtually. Then
Yes.
also doing like every month or every
Yeah.
week, having a dinner together. Everybody's at their place along with alcohol. So they all have their own alcohol. They're all sitting at their place, but they're drinking.
Yes. Yes.
We are
Right.
not propagating
Nah, I
alcohol
love
in
it.
any
Nah,
way.
that's the exit
It's just
angle.
an
Like,
example.
के साथ.
But yeah, they're still like drinking together, if I could say.
Hmm.
So yeah, people are doing innovative things, and yeah, you like both of them said, you got to be comfortable, and so that once hopefully the lockdown opens up soon, then you guys should know each other very well and take it from there.
Yes.
Yeah, you must take out
Right.
time beyond
Right.
assignments, like, because I mean the most time that we spent together was
Mhm.
probably just bucker
True.
at the canteen or things like that. So you guys can do that virtually. That's the most you guys could do. But take out time to do things other than
Yeah, the theme
assignments
parties,
also.
like
Right.
Vasudha mentioned, I think that they're fun. You should do that. You guys should do that.
Yeah,
So,
that's a
like
pretty
my
cool
sister, she's
idea.
midway, so she's in her second year of MBA right
Okay.
now, and she's seen the college life, and now they're living the virtual college life right currently. And why the
Right.
transition for them is massive. But then the kind of parties that they're organizing, oh my God, so innovative. Like their dress up parties and whatnot, and then they'll play games online. I did not even have an idea that इतने सारे games online खेल सकते हैं. So yeah, think of fun, innovative ways to just interact and have bakar at the end of the day.
Right. Absolutely. We'll definitely look forward to all those ideas that you've provided, ma'am. And moving on, so talking about Neve team a bit. So, any recommendations, any messages to the Neve team as of anything that you want to talk to regarding
I
Neve?
want to know how's Neve happening online this year. Matlab, yeah,
Exactly. That was my
yeah.
question too. Like, how
Even
are you
we
guys
do not
conducting
have a
Neve
clue
first?
about that because the Neve team separately does that. So,
But yeah, they're doing
absolutely.
wonderful events right now online. They're
Mhm.
calling a lot of celebrities. Very nice, very innovative
Nice.
events
I
happening.
think logistically, I think it'll be more difficult, honestly, because if you host so many events now, having hosted one online, being a part of an online event where you have a keynote speaker,
Hmm.
ensuring everybody's there on time, and then if somebody has a session starting, that person will start waiting for their session to start. So simultaneously, you need to manage couple of sessions. I don't know how you guys are doing it, but I'm just talking from experience of these corporate offline events that have now moved online, be it your
Right,
marketing conclaves and stuff. So
right,
I think like that technology can go wrong anywhere. So that piece is something that like Neve team needs to be very very careful about. किसी का internet खत्म हो गया. We live in a like I still my Bombay friends don't understand that. When I was in a meeting, I said यार light चली गई इसलिए I conked off and I'm joining again. हैं तुम्हारी light चली जाती है? मैं कहा I'm still living in a third world country. हमारी जाती है सर यहाँ पे light North India में. Like so you'll have people joining from different parts of the country, probably the world, and so probably logistics is one thing. Tech logistics that you need to be really, really careful about, server things and stuff like that. So all technical stuff because the Neve team would be conducting it for the
right.
first time, and all the best to the Neve team because I think it's a very, very big deal to pull off an event when you're in college and of such a scale that I'm sure they must be planning to do online. So hats off to those guys and all the best to them.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so I
Wonderful.
was just
Yeah,
saying
and the one
that
thing.
there are these
Go ahead,
challenges which
Vasudha.
it presents, but there are also opportunities, right? A lot of things that you cannot do, like if you call a celebrity on campus, is so much of logistics cost. Unka ye
Hmm.
5-star hotel and the demands that we got when we tried to call a few
Yes.
celebrity bands. But अब तो ऑनलाइन करना है ना तो मतलब वो सारा कॉस्ट चला गया मतलब कम में काम हो सकता है नंबर वन
Right.
you can
Right.
call
Right.
so many people. Of course, tech backup has to be strong, like Swati said.
Yeah.
But so many barriers are broken down, and you can be so much more efficient on time and money. So that's
Right.
great. And I think you should not restrict yourself to just 3 days, maybe because people would still do their own work, have some other kind of a month or some other series that you have for Neve or have your app which I'm sure there'll be somebody in college who knows app development आजकल तो बच्चे भी कर रहे हैं ना according to White Hat Juniors so
Right. Right.
We are
you
from
do
the
that
BB
but there's
generation.
so much more because it closes a few doors but it opens so many more and you got to be ready for this because that's the reality in future that's how
Yeah.
corporate is also going to work so yeah have fun along with it and think out of the box a very very cliched thing but you have opportunity to do that
Yeah.
The only thing I would like to say is because since Swati and Vasu have covered everything, is the
Yeah.
team. There is no precedent set, right? So you guys are creating this for the first time by yourselves. So anything you do will be one of a kind. It will be something that SMHRD is doing for the first time. So think of it that way: that anything you do will be new, will
Right.
open a lot of opportunities. So don't worry about it. Just go ahead full
And maybe
swing
send
because
invite
it's
to
it's
international
going to be one
campuses
of a
also
kind
this time.
anyway.
You know, it does not require anything
Yeah.
but internet connection. So go international, man.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So the next time we build
That's
up
a
pitch, you
big
can always
mark.
say that, we have international institutes also partnering with us. So.
All right, all right. I'm sure that Neve team will take note from this and they'll look forward to host whatever recommended you folks have recommended. All right, before we end this wonderful, wonderful episode, before we end this, I would like you all folks to give me one word to define your overall Neve experience.
Tough one, yeah. One word.
Yeah.
It has to be one word.
You
Yeah.
clearly would have realized that we
Well
are not
said.
looking at 2 words. So
I think you should have the
this is going
boys
to be
for
a
doing
tough
that,
one.
like Kalpit, Saurabh, and Honor. I'm like those. हमें answer करना है. रुको, सोचो.
Yeah, you can take your time now. You can think and
They
I'll go.
just
I'll just
proposition.
say
Take your
awesome.
time.
Like it was just awesomeness, yeah. मतलब, it was fun, unfiltered fun. So awesome. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Matlab, taking cue
Unfiltered
from
fun. True,
Swati, I'll
that's
just
true,
want to
actually.
say amazing.
Yeah.
okay. So we have awesome. We have amazing.
The 2 words that Swati said, Vasudha and I
I'm
just
just
broke it up.
I was just looking for synonyms.
Yeah.
So we've got awesome, we've got amazing. We need one more so that we can come up with it.
Unfiltered,
Unfiltered fun is what.
unadulterated.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what happened in the Neem room. It was super fun. Yeah.
Right, right. I'm sure the Neve team will look forward to this recording even after they, graduate, so that even they'll come up with these many, adjectives to define their lives. So lovely, lovely, awesome, amazing, and unfiltered fun is what you folks need to look forward to. Neve team, this is
Yeah.
for you. So that's all from our side. Thank you all for coming, and thank you. I mean, so yeah, Swati, Varna, Vasudha for coming for joining us for this wonderful podcast episode 4.